Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Farid Amin bin Sulaiman. We are from Group 1. Five guys is from my group team members. From left, the green shirt, one Muhammad Faizul, and then Idwandi, and team leaders Amirul Zaidi, Nawawi, and me, Farizal Amin. Okay, my proposal report is about automatic sate stove. Okay, ni we are my team members. Okay, chapter 1, introduction. Background, satay or satay in Indonesia spelling is one of the famous street food in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia, Malaysia or Sri Lanka. Satay is a dish of seasoning and grilled skewered meat and commonly in chicken, beef and mutton in Malaysia. There are various types of skewer food in this world. Bamboo skewers are often used for satay, while other several of skewers, such as made of the coconut palm fronds, are called as lidi, and metal stick also found. A traditional satay is often consists of 3 or 4 pieces of meat on its skewers. Okay, this background information. Satay, famous street food in Southeast Asia. It's a complete burning to ready to eat. Okay, process of cooking satay. From stage 1, prepare the raw satay. It's a marinate marinate ingredient. And then number 2, burn the charcoal to become coal fire. And then start burning satay at the satay stove. Rotate satay to make sure satay cook evenly. Okay, the satay we cook on manual to control the fire. And then number 5, satay ready to serve. Satay is ready to be served at about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, settle my presentation, and then I want to pass my team members to present about problem statement. Say thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Amirul Zaidi bin Hashim. So I will present about a problem statement. For the problem for the previous product, it is a unstable sprocket and chain system, lack of time to cook due to heat transfer only at one side, a lack of safety features. The problem is a fully automatic grilling machine available on the market are very expensive. The fully automatic machine produce satay in such a big scale that is not suitable for household or domestic purpose. Number 3, no fully automatic grilling machine designed suitable for household in the market now. Objective for this product to improve the previous design of low-cost satay machine and ready for commercialization. Number 2, to improve the safety of a satay machine. Number 3, to achieve the optimum heat flow in satay machine and speed up time to cook the satay. Scope. Develop the satay machine design by using the design concept theory. And number 2, apply the heat transfer analysis to evaluate the satay machine performance. Use CAD or CAM tools to redesign the machine components. Fabricate the domestic automatic satay machine. The test performance of satay machine. Test the performance of a satay machine. This is our Gantt chart for 2021 to 2022. The description identify objective and scope of the project for week 1 and week 2. Problem statement, week 2 and week 3. Two literature review, previous machine, which week 3 and week 4. Design concept theory, week 4 until week 5. Material and process selection, week 5 until week 7. Heat transfer, 7 until 8. For methodology, generate the concept design, week 8 until week 10. Lepas tu evaluate the conceptual design, week 11 until week 12. Prepare draft and presentation, week 13 and 14. That's all. Thank you. I will pass to my other group member.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Faizul bin Abdul Aziz. We will present about chapter 2 in literary review. In chapter 2, topic about general design principle for manufacturability. In design principle, we have three principles. First, standard material and component. Widely available material replacement. Second, simplicity, fewer part, least intrinsic shape, and third, use of the most processable material as long as their functional characteristic and cost are suitable. Okay, next present topic is a selection of material and processes. In selection of material and processes, we have a goal in 6 goal. First, minimize the cost of manufacturing, minimize the cost of material, minimize waste in manufacturing, and maximize the performance of the part, maximize the safety of the product, and lastly, maximize in the product life cycle. Okay, next, material selection. Material selection, we use mild steel, and we use mild steel cause we have most common form of the steel and relatively low tensile strength, cheap and malleable, and easier to cold form. Okay, and next, for the stainless steel, we cause high resistance to corrosion and staining, suitable to be used in cookware and cutlery, can be steam cleaned and sterilized, and last 100% recyclable. Okay, that's all for my present. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nawawi bin Muhammad Fadhi. I will tell about morphological chart. A morphological chart is done based on the function list in the design statement. This morphological chart is listed down according to the function needed for the design product. From the study of previous design, the useful characteristics from its product are modified and listed into the morphological chart according to its function. Okay, this is morphological chart. Handling method. Function handling method, we have 6 options. And railway, we have 3 options, and traditional method, we have 3. Okay, and heating element, we have 6 options, and apply oil, we have 6 options too. Safe movement, we have 4 options, and body structure at machine, we have 6 options, and shutter draw off method, we have 5 options, and shutter put in method, we have 2 options.
Unstable sprocket and the chain system, and the need to preventive maintenance and alignment of sprocket. Machine do not have a mesh guard to prevent heat loose end for the safety reason. Satay not rotate and can cause of satay cook not evenly. Uh, Methodology. The flow chart of methodology, the problem identification, data finding and collection, thesis, book, and internet, to the concept generation, concept evaluation, weighted design metric, and final concept